The Xiaomi 14T Pro features a powerful triple camera system co-engineered with Leica, a vibrant 144 Hz display, and runs on the latest MediaTek Dimensity 9300 chipset. Perfect for those looking for a high-performance flagship with a focus on photography. Highlighting the 14T Pro's 50-megapixel Leica main camera, stunning 6.67-inch display with 144 Hz refresh rate, and AI-powered software for enhanced user experience. A premium device designed for multimedia enthusiasts. Equipped with a Leica-engineered triple camera setup, including a 50-megapixel main sensor, the 14T Pro also boasts advanced shooting modes and 8K video capabilities, ideal for capturing stunning photos and videos on the go. The integration of AI through Google's Gemini enhances the device's functionality, offering intelligent features like smart photo recognition, automatic image optimization, and AI-powered content creation. The Pixel 9 Pro XL stands out with its advanced camera system, featuring a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide lens, and 5x optical zoom. This powerful combination, along with 8K video recording, makes it. The Pixel 9 Pro XL also impresses with its ultra-bright display, reaching 2700 nits of brightness, providing sharp and vivid visuals even under. Starting off with the body dimensions, the Xiaomi 14T Pro measures 160.4 by 75.1, 8.4 millimeters, making it slightly smaller than the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL, which comes in at 162.8 by 76.6 by 8.5 millimeters. So if you're looking for a more compact device, the Xiaomi 14T Pro might be the one for you. Moving on to the weight, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is lighter, weighing 209 grams, compared to the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL's 221 grams. This could make a difference in terms of comfort and ease of use over extended periods. In terms of display size, the Xiaomi 14T Pro features a 6.67-inch display, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL boasts a slightly larger 6.8-inch display. Both offer a large viewing area, but the Pixel 9 Pro XL takes the lead here. When it comes to the main camera lens, both phones offer a 50-megapixel wide lens, but the Xiaomi 14T Pro includes a 50-megapixel telephoto lens and a 12-megapixel ultrawide lens. In contrast, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a 48-megapixel periscope telephoto lens and a 48-megapixel ultrawide lens, which could provide more detailed and vibrant photos. For internal memory, the Xiaomi 14T Pro offers variants up to 1 TB with 12 GB RAM, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL also offers up to 1 TB but with 16 GB RAM, potentially providing smoother performance with heavy multitasking. The display resolution of the Xiaomi 14T Pro is 1220 2712 pixels, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a higher resolution of 1344 2992 pixels, which could offer sharper and more detailed visuals. The Xiaomi 14T Pro's display features TUV Rhineland low blue light and AI image engine, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with an always-on display feature. Both have unique display features to enhance your viewing experience. Both phones are IP68 dust and water resistant, but the Xiaomi 14T Pro can resist water up to 2 meters for 30 min, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL can resist up to 1.5 meters for 30 min. So the Xiaomi 14T Pro has a slight edge here. In terms of CPU, the Xiaomi 14T Pro runs on an octa-core processor with a max speed of 3.4 GHz, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL runs on an octa-core processor with a max speed of 3.1 GHz. So, the Xiaomi 14T Pro could potentially offer faster performance. The Xiaomi 14T Pro features a LiPo 5000 mAh battery, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL comes with a slightly larger Li-ion 560 mAh battery, which could provide longer battery life. For selfie lovers, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers a 42-megapixel wide lens, while the Xiaomi 14T Pro features a 32-megapixel wide lens. So, the Pixel 9 Pro XL might capture more detailed selfies. Both phones have glass fronts and backs with aluminum frames, but the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL uses Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which could provide better durability. The Xiaomi 14T Pro's main camera features include Leica lenses and OIS, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers multi-zone laser AF and pixel shift. Both phones have unique camera features to enhance your photography experience. The Xiaomi 14T Pro's selfie camera features HDR and night mode, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL offers auto HDR and panorama. Both phones aim to deliver quality selfies under different conditions. Both phones run on Android 14, but the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL promises up to 7 major Android upgrades, which could provide a longer software support lifespan. The Xiaomi 14T Pro is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL runs on the Google Tensor G4 chipset. Both are powerful chipsets designed to deliver smooth and efficient performance. Both phones support nano SIM and eSIM, but the Xiaomi 14T Pro also offers dual SIM support, which could be a deciding factor for users who use multiple SIM cards. For graphics, the Xiaomi 14T Pro uses the Immortalis G720 MC12 GPU, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL runs on the Mali G715 MC7 GPU. Both GPUs are designed to handle demanding graphics tasks smoothly. Both phones can record 8K video, but the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL also offers gyro EIS, OIS, and 10-bit HDR, which could provide more stable and high-quality video recording. Both phones come with stereo speakers, ensuring a good audio experience, whether you're listening to music, watching videos, or on a call. Both phones come with under-display fingerprint sensors and other standard sensors. However, the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL also includes a barometer and thermometer, offering more functionality. Both phones offer unique features like the Xiaomi 14T Pro's AI interpreter and AI notes, and the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL's ultra-wideband support and satellite SOS service. These features add to the overall user experience and functionality of the phones. Finally, the Xiaomi 14T Pro is priced at $1,000, while the Google Pixel 9 Pro XL comes in at a slightly higher price of around $1,099. So, the final decision might come down to which features you value more for the price.